In 2023, the world of adventure travel will be forever changed with the introduction of the 4x4 camper van. This versatile vehicle is the perfect companion for anyone looking to explore the great outdoors in comfort and style. With its rugged 4x4 capability, this camper van can tackle any terrain, from rocky mountains to sandy beaches. It is designed to be completely self-sufficient, with all the necessary amenities for life on the road. This means you can take off on a whim and not have to worry about finding a place to stay or where to eat. The interior of the 4x4 camper van is a cozy and comfortable living space, complete with a bed, kitchen, and bathroom. You'll have everything you need to cook meals, take a hot shower, and get a good night's sleep after a day of exploring. The 4x4 camper van is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It allows you to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and experience the world in a whole new way. With its off-road capabilities, you can explore remote areas that most other vehicles cannot reach. You'll be able to witness breathtaking views and natural wonders that are off the beaten path. Whether you're an experienced outdoor adventurer or a first-time camper, the 4x4 camper van is the ultimate way to explore the world. It's perfect for couples, families, or groups of friends who want to create unforgettable memories and bond over shared experiences. Welcome back, guys. Today we will cover ultimate 4x4 camper vans. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Let's dive into the video. Ford Transit Trail. Impressive capability for your adventure. With the new 2023 Ford Transit Trail van, we worked on doing the heavy lifting so you could focus on the adventures ahead. Explore the world on your own terms with road and trail capability, plus the opportunity to customize your camper van to your needs. You can design it yourself or have a modifier do it for you. 2023 Ford Transit Trail sports a 3.5 body lift which delivers enhanced ground clearance to help improve your adventure. A 2.75 increase in front and rear track width paired with 16 black alloy wheels and 30.5 Goodyear Wrangler Workhorse all-terrain tires create a wider stance for more stability. Transit Trail is engineered for spirited adventure. It features a 3.5 liters Ford EcoBoost V6 engine that delivers 310 horsepower at 5,000 RPM, 400 lb, ft of torque at 2500 RPM, dual AGM batteries, and an optional extended fuel range tank that extends your drive. And with a 10-speed transmission with 5 selectable drive modes, almost no road is off limits. Transit Trail features unique 30.5 Goodyear Wrangler Workhorse all-terrain tires to help maximize traction for on and off-road exploring, combining grip, maneuverability, and grit for the venture. Conquer any road condition thanks to standard all-wheel drive. It balances torque between the front and rear wheels to enhance handling and maximize traction. The new 2023 Transit Trail is designed to impress between the trees, on the shores, and navigating through uncharted land. Unique black trim flashes a stealth facade while a wider stance gives it a bold, rugged look. Simply put, Transit Trail fits neatly into the wild. The unique black Transit Trail grille with integrated marker lamps is front and center, and fog lamps help light the way. Special exterior trim gives this adventure van a rugged, tough look. It not only looks the part, it acts the part. It features a unique skid plate-style front bumper, splash guards, and wheel arch cladding. Rock slider-style side steps make entry into your Transit Trail easy, and front wheel arch liners effectively use aerodynamics to help deflect outside noise. Step inside Transit Trail and you'll discover enough cargo space for all your gear and more. The ergonomic interior ensures everything is conveniently within your reach. The 4-way manual swivel driver and passenger seats give you the freedom to join the fun in the back. Take comfort in the fact that we put as much thought in the Transit Trail interior as we did everywhere else. Settle into the dark palazzo gray cloth 4-way manual swivel driver seat while your passenger gets comfortable in 4-way manual swivel passenger seat. Open the doors, turn on the vent, and get the breeze going. The optional electric-powered Max Fan Deluxe Roof Vent Fan circulates the outside air to keep things cool. Airstream Rangeline. The new frontier of travel is here. Stake your claim with the Rangeline Touring Coach. Built on the Ram ProMaster 35.0 chassis, the European-inspired Class B was designed with comfort and ease of use in mind. Tailor your unique travel experience with dynamic living spaces, flexible storage, and high-performance onboard systems. Rangeline enables you to survey your world and then explore beyond the boundaries. Step through Rangeline's sliding door and you'll find an expansive interior with soft wood tones and elegant lines inspired by the very best of European RV design. Flexible storage and multi-use functionality are key components to a comfortable, efficient use of space, and Rangeline decidedly delivers on all levels. Rangeline is engineered to support your outdoor lifestyle. Whether it's the off-grid capability for extended vacations in nature or a simple trip to the city park while having your own bathroom and kitchen on board, this camper van is ready for it all. Featuring a fuel-efficient 3.6 liters Pentastar V6 engine with 280 horsepower and a Torque Flight 9-speed automatic transmission, it's ready to take you to new adventures. At 21 feet, Rangeline sits in a travel sweet spot, enough space to bring along the comforts of home but nimble enough to easily maneuver through parking lots, down back roads, and into driveways. Rangeline is designed with a simplified power system and versatile comfort systems that enable extended journeys, impromptu getaways, or family trips, all by simply filling up the gas tank. An intuitive multiplex system makes it easier than ever to monitor and manage resources. The main entry door is the hub for your campsite setup and serves as the pathway for moving in and out of the Class B. A patio light illuminates the area. A thoughtful grab handle aids with mobility and doubles as a towel rack. Hymer Free S Blue Evolution. Get in and drive off. The Hymer Free S Blue Evolution Edition model exudes a holiday mood and, with its sporty, modern equipment, is the perfect introduction to the world of camping. This Hymer interior boasts a modern, polished silver design with white locker doors, the two-tone gray fabric, and a floor covering with a dark wood finishes, and two-room camper van with a view. With Free S Blue Evolution is equipped with a pop-top roof, which means that it offers up to 4 baths, despite its compact layout and exterior length of just 5.93 meters. Multi-talented multimedia system. The MBUX multimedia system with a 26 centimeters touchscreen leaves nothing to be desired in terms of infotainment, navigation, and communication in the vehicle. The reversing camera connected to the system also offers you better overview and comfort when maneuvering. A real head turner with its modern, stylish design. The Hymer Free S Blue Evolution boasts a sporty appearance, which is accentuated by the bicolor exterior design featuring the Capri blue paint finish and black details such as the pop-top roof, the 16 alloy wheels, the design graphics around the windows on the side walls and the rear, as well as the black highlights on the front. Leave the shifting work to your vehicle. You hardly feel the gear changes of the 9G-tronic automatic transmission. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on camping, off-road adventure, and expedition vehicles like 4x4 camper van.